Elemica operates one of the largest multi-enterprise supply chain networks in process manufacturing, supporting over $1 trillion in annual commerce and more than 1 million transactions per day. This isn't experimental technology, it's production infrastructure built by operators, for operators. ERP systems like SAP are highly effective. The challenge is managing fragmented demand, originating outside the ERP. Customer orders arrive fragmented, inconsistent, and increasingly unstructured, forcing teams into manual workarounds that don't scale. This is the after state with Elemica. Elemica does not replace SAP integration capabilities. It complements them by managing external variability before transactions reach SAP. Instead of dozens or hundreds of fragmented connections going directly into SAP, all external demand flows through a single, clean network layer. Elemica sits outside your four walls and absorbs complexity across customers, suppliers, carriers, and service providers, regardless of channel or format. Elemica improves the quality and consistency of external orders before they reach SAP, allowing SAP S/4HANA to operate more efficiently with clean inputs. The result is one trusted pipe into SAP, while SAP remains stable, governed, and protected as the system of record. Orders don't arrive one way. They come through APIs, EDI, portals, emails, and automated bots, often all at the same time. Elemica allows every one of those channels to coexist, without forcing your trading partners into a single method, or requiring constant reintegration as volumes grow or channels change. Elemica's certified solution creates a unified digital bridge between your customers and SAP S/4HANA. Our multi-enterprise network handles all order channels, API, EDI, web portal, email, and RPA bots, converting them into universal business documents that seamlessly integrate with your SAP system through certified APIs. Inside the network, Elemica converts every incoming order into a canonical order model. That means validation, normalization, and orchestration happen before SAP ever sees the transaction. Whether an order starts as EDI, a PDF, or an API call, it follows the same governed lifecycle, creating consistency without limiting flexibility. From there, orders are created, updated, or cancelled directly through SAP S/4HANA Cloud APIs. SAP remains the system of record, while Elemica handles the variability at the edge. This approach reduces custom integrations, minimizes manual intervention, and allows SAP teams to scale order volume without increasing operational complexity. When you remove variability before it reaches SAP, the operational and financial impact is immediate. The solution aligns fully with SAP best practices and the Clean Core strategy. With this certified integration, customers reduce IT effort through pre-built B2B connectivity. They process orders faster, with fewer errors. They gain real-time visibility that improves the customer experience. And they accelerate time to value, with a future-ready architecture that supports their S/4HANA journey. Now let's walk through how a customer purchase order email is converted into a clean SAP sales order using Elemica. This is a typical customer order arriving by email, outside of SAP, unstructured, and traditionally requiring manual effort to process. Elemica automatically captures this email as it comes in. There's no mailbox monitoring, no scripting, no maintenance needed, and most notably impact to your customers. Once received, the order is extracted using AI. The model doesn't just lift fields, it uses a robust, trained model to contextualize what it's extracting, understanding products, quantities, units of measure, ship-to details, and requested dates in the context of this customer and business. What you see here is the structured order generated from that email. At this point, users can quickly review the order if required. This is also where we apply business rules, validations, and data enrichment before posting to SAP, ensuring orders are complete, accurate, and aligned with SAP master data. That can include customer validation products, UOM mapping, location checks and required fields, etc. In production, most customers configure the solution, so when orders are clean and high confidence, they can be automatically submitted, while exceptions are still surfaced for review. Only true exceptions require attention, which is how customers achieve high straight-through processing rates and significantly reduce order entry effort. Once approved, or auto-approved, the order is sent directly to SAP. Elemica posts the order using SAP S/4HANA APIs, with SAP remaining the critical system of record. Here we are in SAP, where you can see the sales order has been successfully created. The customer, products, quantities, and dates from the original email are now represented as a native SAP sales order, ready for downstream fulfillment and execution. This is how Elemica removes variability before it reaches SAP, enabling faster order processing, fewer errors, and lower operational effort. Orders can arrive any way customers choose. SAP receives them clean, validated, and ready to execute via a certified connection. Coming back to the order capture screen we saw earlier, this is where incoming customer orders are reviewed and processed. In this example, the order was received via email. Elemica uses AI to extract and contextualize the order details, transforming that content into a clean, SAP S/4HANA consumable, SAP-certified format for sales order creation. From this same screen, users can navigate into the network dashboard, which provides a broader visibility layer across all transactions flowing through the platform. The network dashboard gives you real-time insight into inbound and outbound activity across customers, trading partners, and systems, regardless of whether transactions originate from email, EDI, APIs, or portals. For email-based orders, the network provides full transparency, allowing users to view the original customer email and order content alongside the extracted and normalized data. You can trace each transaction end-to-end, drill into the Universal Business Document, or UBD, and see how data is validated, normalized, and orchestrated before being posted into SAP. Beyond individual orders, the dashboard offers visibility into your connected network, helping teams monitor activity, quickly resolve issues, and understand how demand is flowing across the ecosystem, while SAP remains the system of record. By normalizing demand outside of SAP and delivering a clean, governed order stream into SAP, customers consistently see measurable operational and financial impact. These gains come from reducing manual order entry and rework, not from replacing SAP processes. Straight-through processing increases to 80 to 95%, dramatically reducing manual order entry and exception handling. Cost per order drops into the $5 to $20 range, while order cycle times improve by 60 to 80%. Because partners are onboarded once through the network, onboarding time is reduced by up to 60%, and integration effort scales without additional customization. The result is higher order accuracy, fewer fulfillment errors, improved working capital performance, and teams spending time on customer value instead of data cleanup. This is not automation inside SAP. It's extensibility supporting SAP that lets business rapidly digitize and scale. From unstructured email to SAP sales order, without the manual work. Elemica's solution is officially SAP certified, documented in Report 24978, ensuring compatibility, performance, and adherence to SAP standards. Elemica enhances SAP S/4HANA by improving the quality, consistency, and confidence of external orders before they reach the ERP, allowing SAP to operate more efficiently with cleaner inputs. Ready to transform your order management? Contact SAP or Elemica to learn more and start your digital transformation journey.